Revlon ColorStay Longwear Makeup is a go-to for me, whether it's in my daily life, whether it's events, whether it's press, anything. It stays on my skin and it does not move. It has up to 24-hour wear, and sometimes that's all I need. I have been known to fall asleep in my makeup. I wake up and it's still there. It has 2 formulas, so there's one for you no matter what kind of skin you have. One has hyaluronic acid in it, so it helps to keep dry skin hydrated. This is the combination and oily skin formula. It gives you better skin by the day. It has vitamin E and antioxidant defense. Look at it. Always do a neck test first. Beautiful. Look at that. The best thing, both formulas have SPF, which is so important and my favorite part about it. It's giving everything you could ever want in a longwear foundation. I mean, come on. It's matte, but your skin also looks like skin. This is Revlon ColorStay, and this is the foundation that made longwear a thing. Revlon ColorStay Longwear Makeup.